Alright guys, I guess what we'll start working on again now is the crossband repeater, as my timer display unit has finally arrived. Took about a month to get here, even with the Canada Post strikes on the go. Still managed to get it. So tonight I spent best part of an hour or so, maybe 2 hours, cutting out the front panel of this old power supply to take this unit. Took a bit of work, but it goes in there nice and snug. There we go. There we go. That's going to be the front. Basically, my whole controller, DTMF, and relays, everything that's going to control this thing is going to be enclosed in this housing. Back, there was a heatsink on that. There was a big heatsink back at the power supply, and there was the AC plug was here, but they didn't mean nothing. Lots of room here to play around with circuits and build circuit boards and everything else. But yeah, that's the display unit. All it does is take 12 volts. So there we go. I'll even have a switch on it if I got to. But yeah, I put it high enough up that the wires on the bottom could come out without touching anything here, which is awesome. I might, so next thing I got to get now, I got to get the DTMF controller of sorts. That'll be the next purchase now. And I'll house that inside of this enclosure, because again, you're building repeaters, you need DTMF controller as well as your ID, which this feller is going to do. So I'm going to get some standoffs and probably mount it here or here or wherever. But basically that's where it's going to be there like that. I've got a bunch of relays that I'm going to put on circuit boards. That one's going to control, actually make this thing PTT. I'm going to need a couple external couple external relays that this controller is going to switch out, because not only do I need to trigger the play button on this board to send audio through the speaker lines, I've also got to PTT the radio. Now, I'm trying to decide if I want to go, right now I got her set up that she can do VHF to UHF or UHF to VHF. Either or, so she's set up there now, as you know. And so, just by disabling one of these PTT lines, I can make her either a VHF to UHF or a UHF to VHF. One-way crossband, but we'll see how that works. But basically what I need to do, one PTT is going to trigger the PTT line in the radio, while the other relay is going to control the transmit, make this send. So yeah, so that's the idea behind this. And to get both of these radios working, I'm probably going to need 3 relays. One relay to trigger the play on this, and 2 other relays to trigger the PTT on both radios. So, yeah, how this is going to work, I don't know. Because I got to also take the audio from this board and distribute it between the VHF and UHF radios simultaneously. So I'm not sure how this is going to work, but we'll work on that. We'll work on that. But yeah, but that's the plan, and that's what they're going, and that's the plan, and they're just going to stick with it. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Hopefully this whole project is going to work out good. I'm hoping it is, but we'll find out soon enough. Anyways, just a quick little update. Like I say, I spent pretty much 2 hours cutting out this panel to fit this thing with a Dremel, as well as foil and everything else. and the drill. It's yeah, it's a bit of work, but good old Dremel, can't beat it. Anyways, that's it for tonight. Tomorrow we'll work on this a little bit more. Get a couple of relays on the go, and mount this little ID rig up in here and see what we can do. Anyway guys, all the best. Thanks for watching, and as always, thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Anyway guys, all the best. 63.